Good morning, everybody. So first, here's how you make a sound on a shofar. You just put your lips together and it's almost like you're trying to spit out a seed. You're making a buzzing sound, nice and easy. And that's all. And then that gets you.
Do you stick the shofar in your mouth, Stephen?
No, you put your lips over the end here because that way, when you buzz, the sound comes out through the horn, but you have to buzz right here on the end.
Oh, so you just touch it to your lips.
Just touch it to your lips, no pressure, nice and easy buzz, and out you go.
All right. So if there are several different calls, right? If I call them, will you blow them?
Yes, and let me, because my memory is not great, but I have it here.
Okay.
All right.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Tekiah. That was very good. Shivarim. Teruah. Tekiah. Tekiah Gadolah. Koach. Well done.
Well,
so that's all there is to it, huh?
Yeah, and just as long as you're trying, doing your best, and having fun with it, that's all you need to do. Don't worry about it, just have fun with it.